Haven't done a big move in 15 years, and we're old now, so we forget stuff. Woo! Yeah, I have my seatbelt on, Holly Breach. I have too much because I got a lot. There's a lot going on. And as I'm uncluttering, I find this. It's the baggie trick. Well, you don't have to watch out your brush, but I'm gonna guess it doesn't work after a year and a half. Just a guess. So we're gonna see how many places Kristen has to touch up on these walls before we move out of this rental. So we've got under this window, I apparently painted over here. Oh look, right here around where I did the paint, where I did this faux painted this countertop. Look right there. Okay, can you hear Dion, the turquoise iris, cackling in the background? Oh wait, that's probably Quita. I'm catching up on there while I paint all the places. And over here, when this dries, it'll blend in. I hope it will. Oh look, up here in the ceiling. How did I do this? I have no idea. None. Clearly I started down here, and you didn't know that I was a genius, did ya? Oh, and look, cobweb, real life. And that, my friends, is how professionals do it. No, they don't. Let's check it out. Oh, up there. Gonna have to get up there. Yeah, that won't take long. This is not too bad. This is fine. Just kind of feather it out. It'll be perfect. If we're keeping count, this is place number, I honestly don't even know. So again, I did these cabinets and faux granite with paint on the wall, of course. And I always thought, well, someday when we move out, I'll touch it up. And that day is now, and I can't believe it. Oh, yeah, nope, there's more down there. Gonna guess I nicked that with a piece of furniture. So I'm gonna fill that in, and that looks like it might be apothecary. Oh, I see some more green down there. I painted this blue dresser in my son's bedroom, right here. Shocker, got some blue paint on the wall. I thought I'd mix my own color there. Can you see that? It's not really, not gonna fly. I actually thought when that dries, it'll match fine. So wrong, so wrong. I had to go get a bigger brush for this quote-unquote spot. Thanks for playing, Kristen. Nice try. Much better. And now if I only a little bit of blue on the carpet. It's okay. It's all right. Oh, hey, I forgot I did that. Oh, look at that. That's so ugly. I think I spray painted it. I did. Look, though, I added some nice little silver. Come on. Come on now. It was inside the closet, okay? It's funny. Oh, look, I apparently decided to spray paint some silver here. That's atrocious. It's a reminder of when I went to Debbie's Design Diaries DIY boot camp last year. It needs to be painted. And I spray painted it. I didn't take it off the wall. There's spray paint right there on the wall. I showed you this so that if you ever feel like you're an idiot, there's always someone dumber. You're welcome. And of course, I got it here against this backsplash. I've lost count. Under here. How did I think that was gonna go unnoticed? Good thing it's the same color. There. Yeah. Spelunking. Let's go spelunking. I don't know what spelunking. It's the rocks and gold and things. So this is not getting me very far. I mean, I can try for chill.